Today we'll talk about how can you disable sharing your threads with other on your eToro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on general here, just click on it. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to sharing here, click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone. That's mean here sharing your threads with others, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.